All right, let's see who else we can find. Who did you find?
Found Thomas.
Found Thomas. Yeah, dirty Thomas.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me. Hi! All the time at the train, I don't see them. Come on, let's go.
All right, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna find Thomas the train and friends on this cool rocky mountain. It's gonna be so much fun. Zane, who did you find? Did you already find someone?
Carly.
You found Carly. Yeah, Carly.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here and a snap snap there. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere clack snap. Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing. Here a clap, there a snap, everywhere clack snap. Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly. Thanks, Carly.
All right, let's see who else Zane can find.
I found Percy.
Found Percy.
Delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look! Oh no! It's getting away. I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it.
Cool. All right, let's see who else Zane can find. Oh!
Bruno.
Whoa, Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
See who else Zane can find?
Gordon.
We found Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home? Me! I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So cool. Who else did he find?
Thomas.
Found Thomas. So cool. Let's see who else we can find. Oh, what did you
I
find?
found Kana.
You found Kana.
I love her. When I say go, you said go. I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya! Woo! See you at the finish line.
All right, let's see who else we can find.
I found Emily.
Found Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and
So awesome. Who's next? Who else did you find?
I found Diesel.
Found Diesel.
New rule. You have to ride on one side of your wheels.
This side or this side?
New rule. You have to go backwards.
Diesel, I'm just faster than you, but you're stronger than me. How about we cross together and call it a tie?
New rule. Whoever comes in second wins.
Okay. Stronger means heavier.
Whoa!
And harder to slow down.
Okay. Oh, who's that? I see someone.
So Kenji.
Got Kenji.
Kenji!
Connor, it's great to see you.
You too. Thank you so much.
So cool. All right, let's see who else we can find. Who did you find?
Found Thomas.
Found Thomas. Yeah, dirty Thomas.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
Who's that?
I found Rainbow Thomas.
Rainbow Thomas?
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be. The end of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Check out those rainbows. Yeah. Who else they found?
I found Hero.
You found Hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh? Wow! Phew.
Heroes?
Oh yeah, you did. That's Hero. See what else we find.
Oh my god.
Who did you find under there? Who's in there? Who's in there? Oh, it's Tomas.
Thomas! Cat! Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Tomas was hiding under the tree. Hey guys, if you're loving the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Tomas and friends. Yay! All right, let's see who else. Who's down on top of the rock?
James.
That's James? It is James. Hey, James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Awesome. Who's that on top of the tree?
It's Thomas.
It's Muddy Tomas.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no! Epic mud plunge.
Oh, look at Tomas. What else we can find, guys? Oh, who's that? Who'd you found? Young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon!
Great gear.
Thank you, young Val.
Wow. Who's that, Zane?
Percy.
Did you find Percy? That's Muddy Percy. Oh, look at Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Oh, let's see who else Zane can find.
Sandy the rail.
You found Sandy the Railer?
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
It is Sandy the Railer. All right, let's see who else Zane can find. Who's that over there behind the leaves? Who's that?
Diesel.
We found Rainbow Diesel. Whoa, check out the rainbows on Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
That was awesome.